Hey guys, because I'm trying to catch up on the backlog of questions you have. Today we're gonna talk about Ember Fund and how you can actually withdraw your Bitcoin from there. I'm gonna go quickly through the app and stay tuned to see how you can actually withdraw Bitcoin at the end. Ember app, guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you didn't subscribe already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and subscribe for more videos like this one, in which we're gonna talk about lots of different apps and how we can actually mine on the side, do some trading, or at least see how I do some trading on both stock market and crypto currencies, talking about side hustles and all sorts of different other interesting topics. So in case you are interested in this type of content, make sure you subscribe now. Thank you. Ember Fund, a very easy to use app. Obviously, in case you don't know lots about it, you are going to mine fractions of the Bitcoin, which is Satoshi, and with the more friends you invite, obviously the more you're gonna mine and your hash rate is gonna increase per hour, but you're gonna go up to 100, which is only around 10 friends that you can actually invite. So sharing this referral link, make sure you check it in the description and see how you can actually mine, join in case you are interested in doing that. Today I'm gonna show you how to withdraw. We're not gonna talk about the app in big details. But I'm going to show you the button at the buttons at the bottom. So the first one is the Earn one, which is kind of the main page. The app suffered so many different changes, and I think they finally got it in a good shape, which I quite enjoy. So at the bottom you'll have the Earn button, in which every day 24 hours hit the button, which is starting the mining cycle, and then you're gonna ping all your friends from there. You have the invite, in which you can actually share it and invite it with other friends. You have the spinner at the top in case you want to invest some of your coins to do that. I've got a free spin, so I'll show you quickly how that works. Hit the free spin in case you want to invest more. You can do that. So I won as 10 Satoshi. Now I could do another spin for 500 Satoshi, but I'm not gonna do that. You can do it to 20, 50, up to 50,000, but it's up to you if you want to do that or not. At the bottom you have the play, which you have all sorts of different challenges which you can actually do, prediction, tasks, and obviously you have the winner section, in which you'll see how many people won today, how many prizes they won today. And participating in these tournaments is something that you have to do in order for you to withdraw. I didn't do all the tasks just so I can show you how to withdraw. In the invest, you'll see different portfolios or different coins in which you can actually invest your money you mined. And then on the profile, you'll see how much coins in Bitcoin or Satoshi I have right now in the wallet. I did use some of these ones back in the day when I bought a few catholics in one of my walk-on game. You can check that on my channel. But now I've got a worth of 195 bitcoins in there. So in order to start withdrawing, you have to go back to the Earn page, and all the way to the bottom you've got Reward History, in which is going to show you the reward history. You can wait for that to load or not, but then on the top right you have that arrow, which is kind of the arrow for sending your Satoshi mined into the Bitcoin wallet which you have on this. So in order to do that, you have to have more than $5 worth of Satoshi. Redemption must be made in the final 2 weeks of each month. So we have to do it in the second half of March in case we want to do that. And you have to participate in at least 5 tournaments or tasks this month. I only got one more to go. I didn't do those tasks, and I'm doing it in this half of March because I wanted you to see this. As soon as you do those, you'll be able to push your mined Satoshi into the Bitcoin wallet. And as soon as you have them in your Bitcoin wallet, as you see, you can either deposit, in case you want to deposit some Bitcoin from a different exchange into this app if you want to play the tournaments and all of those predictions. But then we can use the arrow again for pushing this and sending the Bitcoin. Let's say I want to send to continue. I have to put a Bitcoin wallet in there and then review it and send it. It's quite simple, I would say. They have a fee, obviously, like all the other apps and exchanges, but mining this for free is not going to stop you from paying some sort of fee by transferring your Bitcoin into a different wallet. And guys, using this app with the sweet event of Bitcoin breaking another all-time high record today is just good news. You're gonna win Bitcoin for free just by pressing a button every single 24 hours, sometimes watching an ad in case you want to, if you don't want to quickly go through that. There's no better way of winning Bitcoin than doing it for free with the app, which you can install for free. The app has different other options of paying and increasing your mining rate. That's up to everybody if you want to do that or not. I'm not doing it. I'm only using the free side of it. They have very good support on Discord. I got stuck once in which my mining was not working anymore. As soon as I was starting the mining cycle, nothing would happen. And they were very, very helpful when I got in touch with them. So big shout out to Ember family. Try the app. Again, it's not costing you anything. I didn't have to do any KYCs, if I remember well. You only have to put some details about your phone number, email. I don't remember if I have to do any KYC because obviously we participating in a big algorithm by earning Satoshi. Guys, I hope you like this video. I hope it was useful for you. Smash the like button and subscribe for more. And in case you have any questions, as always, shout into the comment section and I will pick them up. I promise you that. I don't think I'm missing any comments in there, and in case I don't see any because you use weird words and my YouTube algorithm is blocking them, make sure you reformulate them or check me out on Instagram and ask the questions there. Even if I'll see them in the request for messages, I'll try to get to you as soon as possible, and in some cases I'm gonna answer to those questions in a video. Guys, thank you for being here. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to look after yourself and your family. Talk soon. Bye.